2010 Nissan Titan 5.6 liter. What we got done on it? Factory converter there, secondary there, factory converter there, secondary there. Then he brought his own MBRP. Aha, he got it right this time. Yes! System, true dual. As you guys can see, all the way back 2.5. There's the muffler. It's a dual in, dual out. So it's true dual system. There it goes that way, over the rear axle, out the back on each side, into some 3.5-inch tips roll there and there. And MBRP are like really proud of their name because they put it everywhere. And they make it huge for some reason. I don't know why. There it is. 5.6 liter SE Nissan Titan with a full catback MBRP. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Only 20% of you guys actually subscribe. So please hit that subscribe button and say on the comments that you did do that because I said this. I would really, really appreciate it. Not my cup of tea, but it sounds good. It's all right. Maybe when it warms up. That's got a weird sound to it. MBRP system. Let's see when it warms up a little bit more. It's getting better once it's warming up. You see that crackle going away? Still not loud enough though. For a true dual system, it should be a lot louder. Here's sound decibels. Right at 95, yeah, 97. He's like, because I see him like once every 2 weeks, he goes, I feel like I see you every day. Yeah, it's warming up, that crackle went away. Let it idle. There's idle. Okay, give it gas. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Nissan Titan MBRP system. Enjoy, guys.